everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Hope y'all had a great Christmas. Today is a beautiful day in Florida. Sun shining, it's about 80 degrees. So today I don't have a craft or decorating. I still have all my stuff up. I need to take that down hopefully this weekend. And what else? So the day after Christmas we went out, me and my husband just took a ride. And we were trying to get some photos of wildlife. So we went to a couple different parks. So that's what I have for you today. I don't know if everyone's into wildlife, but I like all the different birds that they have here in Florida, and I thought I'd share it with you. So I hope you enjoy. And thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell so you can be updated of all our new videos. And thanks for watching. These are what we call chicken pickers. I think they're actually a white abyss. And they think I have food. I don't have food, guys. As soon as I started walking, they all came at me. There's a lot of them here today. This is a little pond here that's near our park. Well, it's in our park, actually. Hey, guys. Don't come at me. Go. Aren't they cute? I think they're cute. I have nothing, guys. Nothing. There's Dave. There's a brown one. I know I'm in the middle of all these birds. Oh my god. I'm surrounded. Oh my goodness. I'm surrounded by the white abyss and a brown one. Alright, let's see what's down here closer to the water. And, oh, it's making noises. That's so funny. Hey guys! Don't attack me. And all the brown ones are some kind of duck, and they sound all squeaky. Squeaky little ducks. As we get closer, you'll hear them. Look at these guys. They're following me. I don't have any food. Dave, look at them. It's a flock of white abyss. They're funny. Let's see if we can get a little closer to the brown squeakies. What happened to the pink one?
I'm following you.
They're still following me.
Look at the turtle.
That is funny. Oh wow, that's a big one. He went away. Alright, where'd the turtle go?
He's right there.
Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see it. Somebody must feed these guys because they see me and they thought I had food.
Probably those people that live here.
Look at them.
The turtle's coming closer.
So many. Oh yeah, look at the turtle. I don't know if you can see it or not.
Is that
Yeah,
a
you can see
snapper?
it. I don't know.
pointed
It's got a
nose.
pointy nose. Weird, I don't know what it is. It's got a long neck. Look how long that thing is.
Look at them all taking a zoom. Ooh, there's a. Oh, that's a black
I want to go over here a little bit.
one. You see the pelicans there?
Oh. These little brown, I don't know what these brown ones are. Are they ducks? These ones in the water are ducks, right?
Those are mallards.
Mallards. I don't see the pink one. There was a pink
see the
one
white
somewhere.
chest? I think that's a bill.
There's a gray one. Look at that gray. There are two gray ones.
That's the Batman birds. Hear that one? Sound like he almost whistled at us. These guys are the squeakers.
Oh, there's a lot of birds here today. Yeah, they're the squeakers.
That is a bill. See it?
Oh, it's a that's a wood crane?
No, it's the bill with the
Spoonbill?
beak on it.
Spoonbill.
It's the pink one, like a flamingo.
Ah, I want to see it. I'm going to scare them all away just trying to see it. Spoonbill.
I just seen a turtle go down in the water too.
Listen to them. Squeaky, squeaky. There goes a chopper. Uh-oh, I'm scaring all the birds away. I'm scaring them.
Look at them all.
I don't even know if this is still going. Can't see. Yeah. Where'd the gray one go? Oh, yeah.
Were all these weeds grown out like this before in the water?
Oh. It'd be neat if he gets a fish.
Huh?
It'd be neat if the gray one there gets a fish.
Oh, yeah. It's kind of far away.
Yeah. Look at those squeakers. They fly and then plop in the water, and then fly and plop in the water. They're cute. Yep. Hmm. Ah, look at those two bouncing around. That's funny. Alright, and here's a pelican. We just seen him grab a fish and swallow it. It's pretty cool. I only thought pelicans were in the ocean. This is like a little pond type of area. But there's two of them here that we saw. I really like pelicans. I think they're cool. Where's your buddy? I know there was two of you. All kinds of seagulls flying around. Just floating around. Oh, it's a train.
I get to see a train, babe.
You can hear it. I don't know if I see it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh. And the birds are dive bombing him. There it goes. You got a fish. The seagulls want it, yeah. Wow.
You must have left little bits and pieces of it.
Look at them. Like, give me that fish. What was that? He's going further away from us. Come back. Come back. Ooh, there he goes.
You might be taking off to dive right there, remember?
Yeah. Yep. The seagulls want some fish too. Yep, you got another one. Did you see him swallow it? So neat. Him, her, I don't know what it is actually. That's cool. Cause they just constantly eat, I think. Oh, another one. Swallows it.
Wow, he's a good catcher.
Yeah. They must have good eyesight. There goes again.
I bet she's going back to the other aerator.
I don't know.
Look at all the turkey vultures.